Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can swap crypto on the Revolut X app, that being the specific Revolut app designed for crypto. So let's get started. Now, once you install the Revolut X app, you will be on your default home screen, which is this one right here. So right here you would be able to see all the crypto that you own. So if you want to swap some of these cryptocurrencies right here for another one, this is how you do it. So first, let's go ahead and select, for example, USDC as the currency that we would like to swap for another one. Then from your homepage, you would just need to tap on the trade option right here in the middle. And then here in the search bar, just go ahead and input the cryptocurrency that you have. So in my example, we'll be doing it with USDC. So I will input USDC just like this. And right here, you would be able to see all the different cryptocurrencies that you can swap your USDC for. So let's say that we want to swap my USDC for, let's say, Solana. And then here I will just tap on buy. Now you will be able to see that we'll be using our USDC to buy this Solana. So let's say 1 USDC will give us this amount of Solana. Then we would just need to tap on buy Sol, and there we go. The order has been placed. So essentially guys, that's how you can swap cryptocurrencies in the Revolut X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.